Hey there, guys. Welcome to Imperial Gardens 8 box 2021 SP Authentic case break 3092. And to our current date and time, it's Wednesday, August 10th at 8:07 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Wednesday, August 10th at 11:07 p.m. Eastern Time Zone. Live on Breakers, live on YouTube, and of course, for anyone who hasn't signed up on our break site, you can sign up there. Did have to postpone our deluxe case break for Saturday. And of course, for anyone who hasn't joined our Facebook group, you can find us there as well. And the team buys. Docs belongs to Good Deals for You 13. Going down to Mr. Philly Flyers. And Chat 53 with the Penguins going out to Mr. Wrestler 74. So here we go, guys. Oh, let me flip on the other camera. Of course, for anyone who hasn't done any breaks with us in the past here, we'll spend the first few minutes here open all the packs. The other camera set up over there is where my mother will be helping us out with the break here. So, good luck, everyone. I'll probably do the first box here until she finishes up. So here we go, guys. Anything else? Right after this pack is not quick as plug in my Fitbit and stuff like that. Get charging. Here we go, everyone. Thanks again. Seconds here, guys. Just go plug in the good old Fitbit here. Okay, here we go, guys. Number one. Got Jake Guentzel for the Penguins. Retro. Moments Zach Parise for the Wild. And Moments autograph for the Rangers. King Henrik. Nice one, New York. Well blended in with the auto there. Rangers going out to Mosh. Nice one there, Mosh. Connor McDavid. Ryan Suter for the Wild. Matthew Barzal. Connor McDavid. Travis Konecny. Spectrum Patty Kane. And Spectrum FX Morgan Geeky. And also, this is the last SPA break for the little bit here. We'll gonna be on extended series and Black Diamond for a little bit. Then I think periodically on the weekend we'll sprinkle in a couple more SP Authentic, either 8 or 16 boxes throughout the week here. And Future Watch auto, Thomas Harley for Dallas. Zach Parise for the Wild. Got a very busy schedule this coming week, or coming month. Roman Josi for the Preds. Victor Hedman for the Lightning. Jonathan Drouin for the Habs. And Moments, Joe Pavelski. Nick Robertson for Toronto. And Moments, John Klingberg. On to box number 2. And we got a patch on the bottom of the stack here. Bobby Orr for the Bruins. Carey Price Limited for the Canadiens. And Sign the Times for the Jets, Josh Morrissey. Going out to Darren M. Darren, you didn't come back and visit me. Braden Point for the Lightning. Moments, Braden Point. Dylan Larkin for the Red Wings. And Future Watch auto, Nicholas Boudin, 149 out of 999. Going out to Simon. And Future Icons, 96 of 199, Victor Olofsson, Dylan Cousins. Brady Tkachuk. Spectrum, Anze Kopitar. And patch auto for the Avalanche, number 86 of 99, Shane Bowers. And to Matthew. These. Little stack of box 2 here. Mitch Marner Limited. Miro Heiskanen. True Leaders, Sidney Crosby. Evgeny Malkin for the Penguins. And Moments, Joe Thornton. Looks like we're going to have a 4 or 5 auto box. True Leaders, Bo Horvat. Ryan Getzlaf for the Ducks. And auto number 4 going out to Vancouver. We got Bo Horvat. Yeah. Bo Horvat. And Bo going out to Simon as well. On to box 3, everyone. Got Alexander Barkov for Florida. Jack Eichel for Buffalo. And UD Authentics auto for the Lightning, Braden Point. On to Jeff, JYD. Joe Pavelski. The Stars. Moments, John Klingberg. Victor Olofsson. And Spectrum FX, David Pastrnak. Future Watch Spectrum, Mikhail Berdin. And Future Watch Auto, Gillis N, 325 out of 999. And Moments, Tyler Toffoli. And Jordan Stahl. Got Eric Stahl for the Sabres. For Buffalo. And SP Performers, Alexi Lafreniere. Kale McCarr. I don't know why the subset's not, camera's not focusing that well on these. Moments, Joe Pavelski. Keith Yandel, the Panthers. And Future Icons for the Red Wings, got Anthony Mantha and Tyler Bertuzzi. Oh, sorry, guys. That is Detroit. And Brent Burns, Leaders. So I'm just going to turn the camera a little bit here. There's just that little bit of lighting there. Jack Hughes, Limited. And Sign of the Times, Mr. Mark Stone. Going out to Vegas. Vegas going out to 73 Riff. Box 4, we got Kopi for the Kings. Future Watch Spectrum, Jake Onger. Future Watch 258 out of 999, Mikko Lehtinen for Toronto. Austin Matthews. Future Watch non-auto, Cal Foot. Bo Horvat. Spectrum, Evgeny Malkin. Patrice Bergeron for the Bees. Mark Stone, retro for Vegas. Carter Hart, retro. And auto for the Red Wings, got Mark Stahl. Going out to Sam. And Zach Werenski. And Kyle Connor for the Jets. And Moments, Tim Stützle. John Gibson for the Ducks. John Klingberg for the Stars. And Sign of the Times for the Oil, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. The Nuge going to Rob, Mr. Koa. And Nathan McKinnon for the Avalanche. And Moments, Pekka Rinne. Friday. Friday, probably in Jungton. Okay. On to our other next 4 boxes. Box 5. So we got Miro Heiskanen SP Performers. Going out to Dallas. Spectrum Level 3 Dylan Cousins. It's the bounty program. Unfortunately, is concluded already. On to Anel. Matt Zuccarello for the Wild. And Future Watch, Nick Robertson. 797 of 999. J-Ro. Or Nick Nero. Or Nairo. Going on to Demur. Quinn Hughes. And a few Tricons, Roman Yossi, Ryan Ellis. 저講呢個呢個公道咧，呢個 K 更 probably 呢個 balloon 呀，梗係講 Matt Tkachuk, Jack Eichel for Buffalo. Moments, Zach Parise. Tuvo Teravainen. And Sign of Times, Mr. Paul Biznasty. Bissonnette. The Coyotes. Nice one there. Go to Dennis. Denbarb. I don't think Nick would be considered a inner case hit here either. Got Mark Giordano for the Flames. Matt Murray for the Senators. True Leaders, Ryan O'Reilly. Dustin Brown. LA. Moments, Quinn Hughes. Celebrate Moments, Steven Stamkos. Alex Tuck. And Patrice Bergeron. And Ryan Suter, True Leaders for the Wild. Tomas Hertl for the Sharks. Spectrum, Nick Suzuki. Spectrum FX, Kevin Ball. And Future Watch Update Auto, Philip Myers for the Flyers. 85 with 399. Justin. Darcy Kemper going out to the Coyotes on this one. Ryan O'Reilly for the Blues. Moments, Steven Stamkos. Nico Hischier. And Moments, Tim Stützle. David Pastrnak for the Bruins. And SP Performers, Andrei Vasilevsky. Moments, Zach Parise. And Brock Besser for the Canucks. Connor Hellebuck. Oh, big boy hit. For the Panthers, 19/25, we got Jaromir Jagr and Roberto Luongo. Nice hit, Florida. Chris Johnska. Yogs and Bobby Lou. Good looking card there. Update auto too. And Tyson Barrie for the Oil. True Leaders, Roman Josi. Very nice. So just give me a sec here. We'll move all this other stuff over. Finish off with a table on the last two boxes here. Photo of that one too. Okay, box 7, guys. Moments, Bowen Byram for the Avalanche. Seth Jones for the Blue Jackets. Oh man, I don't know why the camera's not focusing. There we go, Seth Jones. Stammer, True Leaders. Moments, Alex Ovechkin. John Tavares for TO. Alex Ovechkin, retro. Also, Ovi has some autos in Black Diamond this year, guys. Ovi autos are back. Anthony Mantha for Detroit. Anders Lee for the Isles. Matt Tkachuk for the Flames. And Alex Pietrangelo for Vegas. Ryan Suter for the Wild. And Future Watch, Mattis Kivlenieks. Kyle Palmieri for the Devils. Spectrum, Steven Stamkos. And Future Watch Retro 112 at a 399, Josh Norris. Nice hit, Ottawa. A little rounded corner on the bottom left on that. Going to Rick Rue. And black base auto, Anders Lee for the Isles. Going to Rick Rue as well. Rick Rue dominating this box. Connor McDavid moments. Philip Grubauer, Colorado. And moments, Kirill Kaprizov. Box number 8, guys. Final box of the break. Brad Marchand for the Bruins. Jordan Staal for the Canes. Connor McDavid for the Oil. And Jonathan Huberdeau for Florida. And Future Watch Auto 579 out of 999, Drew O'Connor. Going out to the Penguins. Going out to Ann Chap 53. And Future Watch, Shane Bowers. Colorado. Moments, Bo and Byram. And Victor Hedman, the Lightning. Nick Suzuki. And Moments, Joe Thornton. And Jumbo Joe is going out to the Sharks. And Brent Burns for the Sharks. And Mark Giordano for the Flames. And final stack here. Moments, Alexis Lafreniere. Leon for the Oil. Ryan Dzingel for the Canes. And Moments, Brainpoint. And Alex Ovechkin for the Caps. And Doug Hamilton for Carolina. So there we have it, guys. So appreciate